I just submitted my English essay. What you probably know about from our other episodes is that things like this computer, this phone, or the thing I'm recording this on have a plethora of elements all inside them. I'm Andrew Wu, and today on Inside the Circuit, we're talking about gold. Besides just going on the neck of Olympians, gold has a rich history of being used as a symbol of wealth and currency for countless of ancient civilizations. The Egyptians, Lydians, Greeks, and Romans and Chinese all used gold in their societies. The Greeks, for example, used gold coins as a currency. Its importance came from gold's association with gods and religion. The Romans were the first to make gold widespread over their massive empire. They utilized hydraulic mining, more on that later, but basically the water would get shot at high pressures, washing away the stone and dirt, uncovering the gold. But what is gold exactly? Gold is a transition metal. It's located in the 11th group in the 6th period of the periodic table. Transition metals are good conductors of heat and electricity, they're malleable, and they have high melting points. Gold has a total of 79 electrons, with 1 valence electron in the 6s orbital and 10 electrons in the 5d orbital. That's the electron configuration, in case you're wondering. Because of the number of unpaired electrons, gold is a really good conductor of heat and electricity, allowing it to be very effective connectors and switch contacts. Additionally, gold is tarnish resistant because the electrons are more tightly packed together than other metals. This makes it less reactive as it does not lose electrons easily, which is why it does not react with oxygen very well and tarnish and rust. But how is gold inside your cell phone? Well, believe it or not, you have this extremely valuable element right inside your pocket. Gold is specifically used for circuit boards. It's useful thanks to its chemical stability and ability to conduct electricity. This also makes it really good for electroplating, coating something that's in a thin layer of gold. Gold's properties make it perfect for being in cell phones. When alloyed or mixed with another metal like nickel, gold becomes super wear resistant, making it last a lifetime. It's also malleable, which means it can be hammered out of shape and still hold strong, giving it much more flexible opportunities. Additionally, gold isn't very susceptible to oxidation or corrosion, processes that can tamper the ability of functionality of these metals. Alright, so now that we understand what gold is and what it does in your phone, how does it actually get inside your phone? Well, today gold is mostly mined in China, Australia, and Russia, all exporting over 300 metric tons of gold. There are multiple different methods to mine gold since the Romans' methods. Some of the most popular are placer mining, hard rock mining, and byproduct mining. Placer mining uses water to force the gravity to separate the denser gold from the dirt and debris, although these operations are much smaller scale. Hard rock mining is how most of the world does its gold mining. This process requires a large hole or tunnel to be dug deep into the ground where gold is mined out of the rocks. Byproduct mining is similar to hard rock mining. The difference is that the tunnels that are built are meant to extract other elements such as copper. Gold is usually a secondary find in the mining process. Unfortunately, all of these processes have heavy tolls on our environment. The destruction of the ecosystems through erosion, deforestation, water contamination, and water shortages leave the areas within the gold mines in shambles. As of now, there's not much being done on the issue. After the gold has been mined, you have to refine it before you can actually use it inside your phone. To refine the gold, cyanide is used to separate from the grime and dirt, and then smelted to remove impurities. The crude bullion is poured into these molds and further purified through electrolytic refining. This process uses electrolysis. Finally, the gold is ready to be sold to tech companies like Apple or Samsung.
I have the perfect video.
This is the Ultra's new processor, Stuart. With our fastest NPU for seamless, efficient AI processing, and an enhanced GPU and CPU.
That's it for this episode of Inside the Circuit.